I'll see you in a bit. Nice shorts.
Optimism surrounding that team, it did. It was one of the examples where it did work, and the excitement was justified. But I ask you, how often does that happen?
Kind of famous. See the arch in the bridge? People drop in up here and then roll up and skate down. Before that side, though, that side's the one that they do. Gnarly.
Simply the busted in repair. Wow, that thing's fucking. Ooh. Stoked.
Make them pretty enough?
Man, I just wanted to get this one rideable again. The fucking whole panel split on me. I caught a wave and it like busted in half. It's the craziest thing I've ever had happen. This one had some much needed cut out.
Okay, everything's right now.
What about these,
Hi, Joel.
Hola, TC.
what about these?
How are you?
All right, you do what you gotta do.
Wow, that thing's incredible. Holy cow. What work? This one's mine. Just got a little bit, wow, look at the cancer. Holy shit. Son of a bitch. That one's gonna be a while.
You don't see those things very often.
What's that?
You don't see those very often.
No. I can't remember if it was that one or a different one that came in.
I've seen them back east. Like, that's where it seems like they all went. But I never see them here, ever.
Yeah, this guy said he got it for free. His like buddy gave it to him.
I know. I got template wood down the street. I'm honestly tempted to go get it and come back. Shit. It'll be here this week.
Max has been on it for ages. He doesn't want to get soft.
It's crazy how wide the tail is.
Bottom nose here is weird.
When are you guys close?
5.
Okay, I'll come back down there.
Plenty of time.
I'll go get my clamps and come back. That's easy. I'm gonna get it before it starts grinding. It's the left side's always the good side anyhow.
Is that the
And that's the cleanest side. Yeah, when you ever do it, you always make it the left side if you can.
Oh, for goofy?
I don't know what it is. Everybody does it when they template stuff, they do it on that side. I mean, you can do it the other side. I don't
I
really
guess,
personally
yeah, for
care,
templating, yeah.
but it's always like it was.
Well, it'll be cleaned off later this evening.
Cool. Cool looking board. The only thing is, see that? See, it's all.
Yeah, it's a little funky.
Uno más. Yeah, and I said contracts the whole deal, and he's like, he goes, that's totally doable. And I go, okay. I was like, I'll talk to you later about that. Well, I was expecting Okay, we go.
But
Nice.
yes, sir.
Trouble.
Similar look, similar style, you know? I mix them up. Yeah, I mix them up. Alright. Peace. Let's go! How many shades of blue can one person have on? Look at this. No, me, dog.
It's tough. He's pretty good.
He was selling me also.